Eric, what's up? Why did you want to meet downtown today?
I'm having some problems with my legal writing. I was hoping you could help.
Sure, I'm happy to. What's the issue?
The attorney I'm working for said I needed to work on my restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Help, I'm not really even sure what those are.
Did it have something to do with misplaced commas, and when to use the words which and that? Sure, I can help.
Can you summarize it for me very simply?
If you include information in your sentence that is not essential, surround it with commas. The document, which Sam filed, had an error. In this sentence, it's only essential to note that there was an error. That Sam filed it is nice to know, but not necessary. The focus is on the error. If you include information that is essential, don't separate it from the sentence with commas. The document that Sam filed had an error. In this sentence, the focus is on Sam, and the implication is that she did something bad. She didn't just file a document, she filed one with an error.
I'm still a little confused. Doesn't putting commas around part of a sentence just emphasize it, and make it more important?
I can see how you might think that, but in fact, it's the opposite. Surrounding part of a sentence, known as a clause, with commas, makes it less important. The car, which was red, was speeding. Here the clause which was red, is not essential and can be cut away and removed, leaving the essential meaning of the sentence. The car was speeding.
So if it was important to note that the car was red, I would remove the commas.
The car that was red was speeding. Exactly. There's one more part to this. When you are surrounding the phrase in commas, use which to start the clause. The car, which was red, was speeding. If it is essential information and does not use commas, grammar purists will tell you to start the clause with the word that. For example, the car that was red was speeding.
Okay, I get the idea, but how do I know when to use each one?
That's up to you, the writer. Only you can decide what you want to highlight. For example, we're talking outside a courthouse. The conversation is important, but is the place.
I get it. Only what we are talking about is really important. So I would use commas and say, the talk, which was outside the courthouse, was helpful. Because the talk could have been anywhere, the location is nice to note, but not important.
That's exactly right. Glad I could help you straighten this out.